what's the big idea?
Hey, what's the big idea?
Imagination movers are music to your ears.
We're music to your ears.
We're the guys who love to figure things out.
What? We love to figure things
I
out.
said, you need some help, you just give us a shout.
Hey, movers, won't you help us out?
Imagination movers.
You gotta think about it.
Imagination movers.
You gotta talk about it.
Imagination movers.
You gotta sing about it.
I think what the situation needs is some imagination. Smitty's my friend, he's playing his guitar. Scott's got his goggles that help him see far. Dave's over there underneath the red hats. Now my name is Rich, I go rat-a-tat-tat. Imagination movers.
You gotta think about it.
Imagination movers.
You gotta talk about it.
Imagination movers.
You gotta sing about it.
I think what the situation needs is some imagination.
Sneeze and thank you.
Hey, good morning, Smitty.
Good morning, Rich.
Good morning, Scott.
Good morning, Rich.
And good morning, Dave.
No, you're supposed to say, good morning, Rich, right?
That's right. Look, the light's blinking on voicemail.
Oh, ooh,
That means we have messages,
they're probably from customers.
which means people need our help solving their problems.
I knew we'd get lots of customers today. I even wore my lucky purple fuzzy socks. Achoo! Bless you. Hey, let's check those messages.
Oh, look. He wants to know who called us.
Well, let's find out.
Try again, try again.
Okay.
That's weird.
It's not working.
I think voicemail might be broken. Yep, it's broken, all right.
Well, can you fix it?
Sure, just give me
Oh, a shoe. Well, here's one.
No, not a shoe. Just give me a second. Okay, I'll just put this piece here.
Is that gonna work?
And this piece here. And
Oh, wow. You sure are sneezing a lot, Dave.
I've counted 5 sneezes so far.
6, 7.
Wow, I can't stop. 8.
I'm good.
Okay.